Guys, do you know this product? It's a Siegmund bolt, extreme long. But it's not only a bolt. It comes with two of those, just like a stop. And you just place them onto this big guy. So the minimum height is something close to 6.5 centimeters, and this guy can go up to 31 in height. So it's adjustable. And the cool thing is, you can just adjust your height like you want it, and you have on the position the Siegmund stuff right in place. But that's not all. There's more. These guys on top again, and if you have a Siegmund clamp, some of the universal ones with the rotating head, you can just place them there. So we've got two different options of these bushes. It's 90 degrees and 45 degrees. Also adjustable in height like you want it or it's necessary. So guys, let us know in the comments below if you know this product already, or if you are so crazy to build your own setup like this.